Which point on the x-axis is equidistant from the following 2 points, 5, 9 and negative 4, 6? Let's first try to understand the problem graphically. We'll try to plot the 2 points on the Cartesian plane. So 5, 9, so that means it's going to lie on the first quadrant. So point 5, 9 is going to lie somewhere here. And then we have negative 4, 6, so that's going to lie on the second quadrant. So let's say it's like somewhere here, negative 4, 6. We're going to name these 2 points as point A and point B. Now we have to find a particular point on the x-axis which is equidistant from both the 2 points. So let's say, since it's lying on the x-axis, let's say this is the point C, and it's the point C's location on the x-axis is such that if we join AC, this length is exactly going to be equals to that of the length BC. Fine. So we'll try to find out the length of AC as well as the length of BC first, equate them, and that is going to help us find out the coordinate of point C. Since it's lying on the x-axis, so let's call the coordinate as x, 0. There will be no y coordinate here. Fine. So what's the distance formula? The distance between 2 points, let's say one point is x1, y1, and the other point is x2, y2. We're going to name this point as AP. The distance between the 2 points formed by joining them is going to be equals to square root of the difference of the x coordinate, x2 minus x1, we square it and then add it to the difference of the y coordinate, y2 minus y1, we square that as well. So from the diagram, we can first find out the value of AC. So AC is going to be, we'll take the square root. Underneath the square root, first we take the difference of the x coordinate. So we have x minus 4, so that makes it positive 4. So we have x plus 4 whole square added to, we have the difference of the y coordinate, 0 minus 6 whole square. So this will be equals to, we have x squared plus 8x plus 16, 4 squared is 16 and 6 squared is 36. So 36 plus 16, that's going to be 52. Fine. So let's keep this as number 1. Then we'll try to find out the length BC. So BC is going to be equals to, we'll take the square root, underneath the square root, we have the difference of the x coordinates. So that's x minus 5 whole square added to 9 minus 0 square. So we have square root of x squared minus, we are expanding x minus 5 whole square, x squared minus 10x plus 25, and 9 squared is 81. So 25 plus 81, that's going to be 106. So let this be number 2. Now, since AC equals BC, because the point C is equidistant from both A and B, so we can use the fact that since AC equals to BC, that this would imply that square root of x squared plus 8x plus 52, that this must be equals to square root of x squared minus 10x plus 106. Now we're going to get rid of the square root by squaring both sides. So that leaves us with x squared plus 8x plus 52 equals to x squared minus 10x plus 106. So we can cancel out x squared from both sides. We're going to transpose this negative 10x to the left hand side. We have 8x plus 10x, and on the right hand side we have 106, but we're going to transpose 52 to the right hand side. We have 106 minus 52, so that's 18x, that's equals to 54. Right, now x will be 54 over 18, which equals to 3. So that means the x value is 3, and on the x-axis the point is going to be x, 0, which corresponds to 3, 0. So that's the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from both negative 4, 6 and 5, 9. So that means we have our option A. So option A is going to be the correct answer.